Well, I am back with another breakfast recipe because I absolutely love breakfast. If you haven't found that out yet, well, now you know. Breakfast, I can eat it 3 times a day. Don't get me wrong, I love good smash burgers. I love good hot dogs, all kind of other foods. But breakfast, to me, breakfast is where it's at. I can eat it all day long, every day. And the kids around here love French toast, they love chocolate chips, and they love bananas. So I figured, why not put them all together and make a delicious chocolate chip French toast breakfast right on that Blackstone Griddle. And it don't take a whole lot to do this. I mean, French toast is probably one of the easier recipes to do. You can change up a few little things and really, really step up your game, and that's what we're going to do today. So now's a good time to go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up, because we got a little bit of prep to do, and then we're going to get to cooking. Now, before we get doing the prep, I do want to mention that I have a chocolate chip brioche bread. Now, if you're going to make French toast, do it right. Go get some brioche bread. And I had to find the chocolate chip brioche bread over in the grocery store the other day. So grab you some of that. But we're going to move some of the stuff out of the way because we have to make up our French toast batter. And for that, I have 4 eggs. Probably the most expensive part of the whole recipe is these eggs. The eggs are not cheap anymore, y'all. So use them sparingly. Make a lot of French toast. So we're going to crack these 4 eggs in here. Then we're going to add a few little other things into it. Some milk. Little bit of milk. Now that's where you can really change up and use like a French vanilla creamer or something like that if you really want to take it to another level. But I have some vanilla flavoring here. Put some of that in there. Then, of course, have some cinnamon in. Some cinnamon. Let's sprinkle some of that in there. Get some cinnamon going in there. Then we will just take a whisk and whisk it all together. Get it all mixed up good. Simple as that right there. There you go. Y'all, I think we're ready to hit it on the griddle and try to make some French toast. Come on, let's go check it out. Well, y'all, I'm seeing now why I smoke. You know what that means? It's time to put some groceries down on that griddle. So grab up that Kerrygold butter and let's butter your griddle. We're going to put it all right here in the middle. Now use whatever kind of butter you want, that's fine. But man, this Kerrygold right here really, really steps up some flavor. That butter smells so good on a griddle. I mean, it's almost as good as bacon, but not quite. But now you can go ahead and grab up your chocolate chip brioche bread and get a few slices of it out. Let's see, that's 3 right there. We want 4, at least 4. Let's go with 4. Grab 4 of them. Grab up our egg mixture right here. Coat it really good. You know it's going to be good right here. Brioche bread, chocolate chips, cinnamon, vanilla. And let's get to toasting this stuff. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Might have to make more of this. Might not be enough. But for right now, we're going with 4. There we go. 4's on there. Clean off my hands here. And I wish I could let you show you. I was about to say show you how it smells. I don't know if you can show anybody how something smells. I'm going to show you what it looks like, but I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. Yes, sir. That butter, along with that cinnamon and that vanilla, all this is just coming together out here. Now this says good morning. You smell this, you know it's going to be a good morning. Now one thing I'm kind of careful of when cooking French toast and pancakes and stuff is just keep a check under it right there. Let's just take a look at how they're browning up. Because you don't want to overcook them, but you don't want to undercook them either. So yeah, I think these are ready to flip. Let's go ahead and flip these. Looking good, looking good. Get them all back around here. Got a good little brown toast to them. That's exactly what we're looking for. Just look at how beautiful these are turning out right here, y'all. Man, these are going to be good. And just like that, this French toast is done. Maybe 2 minutes on each side? I don't know. But either way, this is probably one of the quickest recipes you'll ever do on the griddle. So let's go ahead, take this up. Take it over here and finish it up. Come on. Now, you already got chocolate chip brioche bread, so you know it's going to be good, but we're going to make it better. We're going to slice up a banana. Chocolate chips and bananas just kind of go together. So let's slide this out of the way and get a banana here. And we'll just, little thin slices, don't need a lot of it. Something like that right about there. Then we can take it and just put some bananas around here at the bottom, wherever. Just kind of put them in between maybe. A couple on top. Just here, there, and yonder. There we go. Looks good. Now, we need syrup. We need syrup. And get that good stuff. Don't go out there and get that fake stuff. Go get you some real good maple syrup. We're just going to drizzle this on top. And I don't know about you. Do you want like a lot of syrup? Little syrup? How do you like it? I like a little syrup. I don't like just my stuff swimming in syrup. But if you do, go for it. Now, I have a secret ingredient. Whipped cream. That's right. Yes, sir. We're going to put this right on top, I think. There we go. We're going to try to make it pretty. Look at there. Woo, boy. Uh-oh, falling over. That's okay. Now, I'm going to put chocolate chips in the bread. Let's add some more. Could it hurt? Could it hurt? I don't think so. We'll put some around the plate here. Make it really pretty. Some on top of that bread. And oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm just getting excited here looking at this. And there you go, y'all. Chocolate chip brioche French toast. Looks amazing. You need to see this up close. Check this out. Now, this is how you do a breakfast, man. That brioche bread with chocolate chips already in, and we added more chocolate chips. That good old syrup, that whipped cream on top. You know, the vanilla and that cinnamon's up in that batter. Oh, yeah. This is going to be good. Y'all, what do you think about that? Now, that's how you do a simple, quick, and easy, but really elevated, stepped up, delicious French toast on the Blackstone. But I got to try it. You know, I just can't tell you it's good. I got to make sure it's good. So I'm going to cut in this right here. Grab one of the bananas back here. Some of these chocolate chips. It's good. It's real good. It's really, really good. That brioche bread really takes it to another level. Yeah. Make this. Make this. If you don't have you can't find the chocolate chip brioche bread, that's fine. Just use brioche bread, put chocolate chips over it. It'll be okay. But if you can get your hands on some chocolate chip brioche bread like I found, get it. You won't regret it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bryson has been waiting for these all day, so I'm going to go ahead and take them in. Share this out. Be sure to look us up on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere, even on Pinterest, here on YouTube, everywhere. And with that, we'll see you next time. Bryson, come check these out.